If I told you not to wash your pots and pans with soap and water, you'd probably think that I was nuts. I would be if we weren't talking about cast iron cookware. You see, cast iron cookware was first created some 2,000 years ago. It's been a mainstay around the world, and its popularity soared because it's durable, non-stick, and it cooks food evenly. So let me show you how to season your new cookware once you bring it home so it will last you a lifetime. The first thing you do is wash it with hot soapy water and a stiff brush. This is the only time you should ever use soap on it. After drying it well, rub on a thin layer of vegetable oil. This goes into a 375-degree oven upside down. Just make sure you line the bottom rack with foil to catch any oil that may drip. After an hour, turn off the oven and leave the pan inside to cool. That's all there is to seasoning it. And after cooking in it, all you need to do is rinse it out, maybe use a brush or a sponge, but skip the soap. And since I love cast iron cooking so much, I want to share with you a favorite of mine, which is called a Dutch Baby, which bakes in a cast iron skillet and is a cross between a souffle and a pancake. The recipe for our savory classic, broccoli and feta Dutch Baby, is online now, along with a few other options. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a new old world way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."